Hello and welcome back. Just continuing on in the book. It looks like today we're doing number 190. And let's see, let's start with this box here. Looks like we're missing a 1, 4, and 8. We've got the 1 here. So 4, 8, 1 here. So 4, 8. That means our 1 has to be here. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got a 1 and 2 here, so this is our 4. A 1 here, so 2, 1. For this box now, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here and a 6 here, so this is our 8. That 6 means this is our 9 and 6. And that 8 makes this our 4 and 8. So to finish out this row, we're missing a 3. And for this box, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. For this column now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this row, looks like we're missing a 9. For this column now, we're missing a 2 and a 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9, 2. So for this box, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this row, we're missing a 1 and a 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5 and 1. For this box now, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 and 7 here, so this is our 4. A 7 here, so 6, 7. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. For this column, we're missing a 6. And for this box now, we're missing a 2 and an 8. We've got a 2 here, so 8, 2. To finish out this box, we're missing a 3. For this row now, looks like we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 there, so 7, 5. And for this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 8. We've got a 3 and 8 here, so this is our 1. I don't see any other help, so 3, 8, 3, 8. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. For this row, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. And that 3 makes this our 8 and our 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.